Okay, so this is just going to be a quick demo on how to create your own daily questions spreadsheet. So once you click the link in the blog post, it's going to take you to this template here. Just make sure that you're logged into your own Google account. Now this is read only, so you're not going to be able to make any edits here. The idea is to copy this and create your own version. So what you do is hit File, make a copy, then you want to name it whatever you want. This is going to be completely private, your own thing, nobody else can see it. So once you hit that copy, it's created in your own Google Drive. Here you go. So it starts with the first default 6 kind of questions that I recommend. You want to change this to whatever date you're starting on. And then, like I recommend in the blog post, you probably want to add a couple of your own things. So say you want to meditate, so I did my best to meditate and stay fit, whatever you kind of want there. And then the idea is you just fill it out on a scale of 1 to 10 every single day, how you did. So on this day, you didn't really set clear goals, but you made a little bit of progress. You did find meaning and you were happy. That's mainly because you built positive relationships. And you were pretty engaged, but you didn't really meditate, and you certainly didn't stay fit. And so you can see there that they're all color coded. You can see kind of a day summary, and then as you complete the weeks, you're going to see kind of a weekly average here that's just automatically updated. So that's the basic premise of the template. Like I also mentioned in the blog post, something that I recommend is you want to create your own launcher on your phone. So you want to copy all of this from the .docs to the end before you see that kind of dash and that edit there. You want to copy that across to there, and like in the blog post, you want to add Google Sheets in front of it. I think that was the terminology. I'm just going to check, looking at the blog post. Yeah, so it's Google Sheets, /, there's 2 there, and then that docs. So then you want to head over to your iPhone and you want to enter this into your URL launcher. There'll be a demo of that coming up now. Okay, so this is how to create a launcher in Launch Center Pro. So we just want to click that add button. You'd add that there. You want to add an action. So you call this what you want, daily questions. Right, and then this is the URL. So make sure that on your clipboard, you've got that URL that you entered earlier. You can see here, it looks something like this. Once you click done, that's then going to automatically add the label. If you want to add a schedule, you'd hit this, select schedule, add a alert that comes on your phone. I'm going to set it so let's see if I can get it to come today, and then you want to repeat hourly. That's on there. And so what's going to happen now, hopefully in a minute, I'm going to get this notification that's going to come up, and it's going to take me directly to that sheet. So just got to wait now as this counts down. Makes you realise how long a minute is. There's my home screen anyway for anybody that's interested. Probably talk about this at a later date. Really hope this is going to come up now. It's a long minute. Okay, come on, 29. Let's go 30. Let's go 30. Let's go 30. Where are you coming? Where are you coming? There we go. Launch daily questions. So once you click on that, automatically then jumps into Google Sheets and then opens your kind of sheet. And you can enter whatever you want there.